heard you. You don't want to retake any classes. But if you did, and there is one class that's going to hold the most weight to really improve your application, what is that one class that's going to help you? Okay, here it is. You ready? It's going to be Anatomy and Physiology. Okay, Justin, that's 2 classes. Well, yes, Anatomy and Physiology are going to be the best class to help you improve your application. If you got a B or lower in your Anatomy and Physiology class, that's what I would recommend that you try your best to get an A in. Most PT programs will look at, first thing they look at is your anatomy. What grade did you get? Physiology, what grade did you get? Did you get an A? Okay, I'm gonna put you in this category. Did you get a B? I'll put you in this category. Did you get a C? I'll put you in this category, right? Or they rank you or give you certain points based on what grade you got for Anatomy and Physiology. Anatomy and Physiology is gonna be your foundational class. When you go into PT school in your first semester, you're gonna take anatomy, and that's gonna be so much information. If you did not do well in your Anatomy and Physiology class, then what does that say about how you're going to do well in the anatomy class in PT school? That tells PT programs, hey, they only got a C, they're probably not gonna do well in their first semester, their chances of moving on and graduating are very slim. Let's not take a chance on this person. So, if you want to really boost and prove to yourself in the PT application that you are a worthy candidate, then get that A in Anatomy and Physiology. Now, if you're like, hey Justin, okay, Anatomy and Physiology got an A, but how else can I improve my application, especially if I don't want to retake any classes? I do have a video on that. I'll put the link in the description on how you can improve your application without retaking classes. So check that out. But if you're looking and you're figuring out, Justin, I need some extra help to really get the best possible application possible, then what I would recommend for you is to join my online group coaching program called PT Application Bootcamp. This starts in June every single year, and I'll have the link in the description for that. But in this program, I teach you the secrets of the PT application, what the admission committee is looking for, and what you can do right now to really do everything you can to help your application be outstanding, and give you strategies on how to approach the essay and the supplemental questions, and of course, give you some tips on some interviewing. It is an all-encompassing bootcamp class to give you the best chances to get accepted into PT school. Just like I helped students in the past, countless of students get accepted into PT school and get into multiple programs, I'm confident that I can help you too. So if you're interested in that, link in the description. Now, if you're watching this video and my class has already started, you can also join the waitlist for next year. But if you're trying to apply this year and you need some help, I do have one-on-one coaching available. I'll have that link in the description as well. But I gotta let you know, there's a cap. Once that cap is hit, I'm not taking any more students. And last year and the year before, I had to cap things out. So I'm confident that things are gonna cap out as well. So I hope this video gets to you in time so that we can have a chance to talk and I can help you, coach you through the PT application process. But if not, feel free to email me, pt.admissionexpert@gmail.com, and maybe we can work something out. Hey, question for you. If you are retaking Anatomy and Physiology, but you still need to retake some more classes, what is that one or several classes that you need to retake? Love to hear in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great one, you guys.